Siyabingelela ubingelelo baba uDokotela, baba uSizwe, baba uJabulile. Bathi kuyabanda abantu baseMpumalanga, bathi bayafa amakhaza eGoli. Sorry. Sorry. Siyazi ukuthi eFree State kwenzeka njalo. Yo kubanda eMoyi River, ungabatshela abantu ukuthi ngisho njalo abamhlophe. Yo Escott, kuyabanda kulesa ndawo, kuyabanda. Fixback. Ngawezwa amakhaza lapha ngathi kuyabanda Fixback. Fixback is in Free State. Bordering Lesotho and Free State, that is Fixback. Bakithi, this is Baba Dokotela, baba Sizwe Botshalo, follow pleasure khehle umuntu ngizolo amancane ngiyisolve futhi ngithela amakhaza asweza just confirm ama payment. Nanamanje ngine proof of payment engenile sithi sengene emalini manje. Sengene imali. Hayi amakhaza. Elokishi uhlala eThekwini phela simi ngeqiniso. Bakithi, this is Baba Dokotela, baba Sizwe Botshalo. At my age, I'm about 50 now. Now leyanto lesesingakwazi ukuthi siyikhulume. Inhlupheko esikuyona, esithathe yazosibeka emaplazini, esithathe yazosibeka emafemini, esithathe yazosifaka emayini. Le nhlupheko sisuka naye ekhaya. Ikhaya is a spring of poverty. It's where poverty iqhamuka khona. Inkinga ke ekhona ukuthi since ikhaya lakho limpofu lingenalutho wena othi uyazama, those people are so called ihlobo zakho, they start to put weights kuma wakho, put weights kumfana wakho. Come to ama foreigners lawo esinawo le South Africa. Foreigners, they're coming from extreme level of poverty at home. When they get here in South Africa, they start to put things together. Wear clean jeans, clean shirts, this. Because of that, they're coming from extreme poverty. They are selling drugs. All foreigners are selling drugs. The problem is, if we walk at some drugs, our paid in about Tengakon. If all foreigners are selling drugs, now we're if you are doing well, they start to swear to your mother, oh, your child is a prostitute. Oh, your son is this. Your son is this. Your son is this. Because they cannot tolerate seeing you coming up from the midst of generation cases. And same thing applies. We are expecting Zimbabweans to walk crossing over the Limpopo to South Africa, dirty, toned, begugele benze yonke into. Baphile lo mpilo bangayishintshe nengoba bazigqokile. Khona sobabona bahlupheka. If iZimbabwe lingangcolile kanjalo, dayisa ama drugs. I once had a foreigner who was staying in one of my properties by rent. Oh my goodness, the child of God was working as a panel beater, ended up esondeza indawo epanel beater la ngakumina. Wadayisa wasebenza kwahlangana lo mali leyo. He took the money, wathenga imotorbike kwakude wabuyela ungowaseGaza, wabuyela emuva ekhaya. Proving that not all foreigners, njengoba sithi all foreigners are selling drugs. Kodwa ngisho ukuthi ipoverty esisuke nayo ekhaya, abantu abangayithanda ukuthi phela are those people who knows us when we were poor. They hate you. Believe you me, they will celebrate when you fall. They'll have party if you can suffer a stroke. Believe you me, they'll have party. Lento lena kuzofuza ukuthi sazi ukuthi when you are leaving your family where you were born, poor, struggling, abused, pushed around, thrown under the bridge, when you come out, don't feel sorry for those people that you left behind, like your cousins. Don't feel sorry for them because they hate the fact that you have left them poor. They don't wish anything good to win. Then don't feel sorry. Just don't feel sorry. Eyinto ekufuna sikhulume Elena, truly speaking, ekuthwaseni labantwana abathwasiswayo, according to Baba Dokotela ngaze ngithwase, but I find it ethically vital to say this. It was sincere important bafundiswe ekuthwaseni kwabo imithi that accumulates wealth, that imithi that attracts wealth, imithi that makes them mogul when it comes to money. rather than ukuthi umntwana ahlale so many months or years entwaseni abuye ekhulelwe. How's that? How does it feel to a parent who has sent a baby girl kuleya ntwaso la and she only comes back pregnant? Only comes back pregnant. Umntwana kuye lapha engabhemi isinemfu, comes back bhemi isinemfu. Uye lapha engaphuza utshwala, nawe useyabuya uphuza utshwala. Lezo zinto lezo according to baba udokotela kwakufuza ukuthi sike sizibuke ukuthi entwasweni can't we add something like at school? At schools now they are learning roboting and coding. In first world countries now they're doing AI at schools as well, artificial intelligence, in different military, medical, agriculture. They're studying all that. But ematwaseni, they are still studying what was studied 60 years ago. Ukugida, ukuvuka uyophalaza, ukuqoba imithi, ukuqula imithi. It is a routine. It is a simulation of what was done 18 years ago, 100 years ago. They were doing that. Now, I find it ethically correct. I can now speak to people engibaziyo aba-intelligent, but abayizangoma. Ukuthi now sebengayibuka i-review yabo ukuthi umntwana uma ezothwasiswa la. I repeat, sebengakwazi ukubuka manje umntwana uma ezothwasiswa la. Akatshelwe phela ukuthi sizokunika lento, but this is what you must have, because uma uphuma lento aseni you must expect people to come, but abantu abazofika wena ungakwazi ukuthi nokuthi. This is what it's supposed to do. Izinto zakho ozozenza ngale standard so that uzokwazi ukuthi ube buoyant empilweni. You understand? Because now we came to understand that these people ayikho into ethena bayenzayo. Bahamba imigidi kuphela. Hey, you got no idea. Ayikho into abayithanda njengemgidi. That benefits nothing ekubona. That brings nothing back ekubona. Umntwana mengasafuna emgidini bayamthuka. Umntwana mengasamthuka emgidini ukuthi uhlangane nobaba udokotela sebemfundisa ukukhohlakala. Yini baba udokotela wayethwase kuphi? Uhlanganile nje. Maqoqotino nje mose kuthiwa hamba othwasa. No. Angekho lapho ngisekutheni kunezinto esesingakwazi ukuthi manje sizibuze ukuthi kanti le mithi yenzani? Le mithi okufuza ngabe wayifundiswa phela entwaseni. Sengakubuza manje ukuthi okay, uyile entwaseni. Le mithi lena bathe yenzani kuwena? Uma uyihlanganisa yenzani? Kunemithi engifuna ukuthi ngeke ngiyithinte la. Umuthi ekuthiwa yikhokhela. Bathi ikhokhela wena njengemntwana osedlozini bathi welenzani ikhokhela? If bengakutshelanga gobela okwenza ukuthi ingane kade izothwasa kuwena, ungayitsheli ukuthi ikhokhela lenzani, kwenziwe yini. Uma liyavuma njengethwasa, ubona wena wenzani. Njengogobela le ngane le wena ukuba wayitshela ukuthi uma liyavuma nekhokhela uma ukuhlanganisa kwenzani, ngabe lengane kuphi namhlanje? UMampunzana kuba wayitshela ukuthi uma usuyawufaka uMampunzana kulento engikunika yona mntanami, lengane ngabe namhlanje isebenza kaShoprite. Sinengane manje ezinobuhlalo ezisema call center. Kanti zange zitshelwe ukuthi kunemithi la othi uma uyisebenzise kahle uthola uzibuthe wekhubalo. Uhlanganise le mithi engane esedlozini. Uma uthola unwabo ukhipha ulimi, uthola uxama ukhipha ulimi. Salukwazi. Lento lena izinto ezifuna zifundwe eminyangeni ekuthwaseni. Zifundwe yazi ukuthi ingane uma ngakhela umuntu into ukuthi ngidinga ulimi laxama ngoba uxama uthi kanje ulimi lo nwabo ngoba luthi kanje. Ngifuna uMampunzana, ngifuna uMampunzana. Ngiyafuna futhi nawe ikhokhela ngilonge lifuna kanjalo nje ikhokhela sangathi ngawumuntu oluthathayo futhi nawe uzibuthe uyikhubalo bese ngufaka phakathi lana. Lento lesilwa nenhlupheko. Yindaba lengane ezingafundiswanga lo mithi le. Ngoba lezo zinto lezo ibasic yokukhipha umuntu ekuhluphekeni. We can bet money. We can bet money. Hayi ngeke kehle khohlwa. Mina njengamanje ngiyashutha ezinyanga ngishaya impempe because azikwazanga ukuthola leli khubalo leli. Azikwazanga. Into eyenza ukuthi lena uphile impilo enhle, impilo yobukhosi, impilo yokuthwebula. Impilo enhle. Uyigcabe lento ifake emzimbeni. Imali izele wena ungenzi lutho kuze imali kuphela. lezi zinto lezi kokufuza abantwana abafundiswe nje azi ukuthi umuntu lapha nje uphume naso kodwa isikhwama kodwa satshelwa futhi ukuthi impilo yakhiwa kanje impilo nje yakhiwa kanjena bakithi lana ngine ring ngine level esithwalo ehlukene imali eshesha ihlukene level imali eshesha kunemali eshesha ka 2500 okay nginemali esheshayo ka 12000 rand okay then asize lana nginemali esheshayo imbuzi u50000 ufika la kumina no 50000 iringi uyinikwa yimina ngoba akuwona lama ringi owajwayele iringi uyinikwa yimina mase sithenge imbuzi listen to me carefully mase sithenga imbuzi umusu uyikhokhela imbuzi umusu ngithi mina buza mekukhona ufuna ukukubuza usuzobuza ukuthi hayi zoma mase kufuna nembuzi kanti ungenzisa uyangithwalisa yini mase ngishiteza la ekhaya ithwala zo 150000 lana ngikukhandela into yemali seyithatha ke lembuzi mase ngithi kusuyikhokhela imbuzi uyibo ingene emotweni mase ngithi hayike buyele ehotel ake wena lakho hambe ehotel langeni ufike mina mase ngiya eAvoca mingifika lapha ngithatha lembuzi lela ngigwenyisa le ringi le phuza amanzi mase ngihlasa lapha lembuzi ngiyeke kuzothi ekseni siyayinquma lembuzi uma siyinquma lembuzi sithatha ibhakede elu5 liter sikhipha umswane bheka le ring ukuthi siyithola le ring sifaka kule bucket sithipha umswane siufaka kule bucket sikhipha inanzi sifaka kule bucket sikhipha umhlwehlwe siufaka kule bucket mase ngithi inyama bayidle laba abanye mase sengibuyela kuwena sengiphethe le bucket linenanzi line ring linomswane sesiyahamba siya nawe eBeach eVirginia kune beach lekuthiwa Virginia Beach sihamba nawe siye eVirginia ngifike eVirginia lapho ngifike ngibhele umgodi ngithi ngena la ungene bese ngithi mina ngena la nengubo zakho lapha uzogqoka ingubo zakho ezokuhlala ekhaya gqoka ingubo zakho bese ngithuma umfana lapha ngikhela amanzi lapho olwandle ngwahlanganise nalomswane ngugeze lapha ngibiza wonke amadoda angwazi ayiqiniso ngibiza wonke amadoda ayiqiniso la kuwena ngibiza wonke amadoda ayiqiniso akekho ngambiza bahlanisa bonke obhashapiri bahlangana la kuwena ayikho amadoda emali engiwafaka kuwena mase ke sesiqedile sekusala le ringi ke manje mase sesiqedile sesiyazidabula le ngubo kuwena siyazidabula le ngubo lezi mase sesizidabula le ngubo lezi sizongena kulomgodi kade ngithi mnima kuona ngizothi ngithini kuwena bese sesiqeda lapho ke sesilanda amanzi futhi ke amanzi ke sesigeza ngamanzi awodwa masigeza amanzi awodwa yonke insila yakhe ufuna isale la sigeze lokho ufuna sigeze sesiqede la umusu usuphuma usuyisidalwe esisha phuma nale ringi le uzothi uma ufika ekhaya ufika uthathe le ringi le ubheka indawo enenhlabathi wenze uround ngempuphu uthathe impuphu uyithi kanje uround uthathe le ringi lena uthi le ringi le musu ikhanda lakho libheke phansi lihlala kanje ikhanda libheke phansi ukhuluma into oyifunayo kule ringi ukhuluma into oyifunayo musu uhamba uyolala kuzothi kungakaphumi ilanga uyavuka uyithatha le ringi ngamaqiniso akhona kodwa uyithatha le ringi ngamaqiniso isiyokwenza yonke into wena oyifunayo ngithi yonke into wena oyifunayo into osuyenza ke wena unikwa umuthi weringi ufaka emanzini uthatha ujulo wenyosi uphutshuzela kanje ngaphezulu umuso usuyageza lapho ufuna imali ayikho into oyifunayo enye le ringi usuyayithatha ke le ringi usuyigoqa ngendwangu emhlophe uyifaka la nalomuthi lenzokunika wona uzolala kuyona 7 days awuayini lala 7 days awuayini khuluma nale ringi le ringi le izokunika amafilimu izoqala ukuvezela amafilimu after 7 days ikhiphe le ringi isi right geza ngalomuthi kade usebenzisa kade uqamele kona geza ngawo chela ngawo lo muthi kusuyasebenza le ringi isipowerful le ringi uyigaxa nje la ngaphakathi oyifaka la gaxa nje la ngaphakathi kuphela kuwena usithulele ayikho into engezoyenza lento enoyifunayo izokwenza yona iringi ke leyo ringi isuku 50000 asimniki umuntu othi bafdotela mina you know 60,000 angifuni ukhiphe u50,000 usale 10,000 yiba nje kahle ubalance kahle spreadsheet sakho wazi ukuthi okay spreadsheet sami sibalansile then ngingawukhipha u50 ngihamba kwenza lo msebenzi ngikhandeleke lo msebenzi usebenzi lona weringi but emali esheshayo but lena wenziwa ngeringi lona wenziwa ngeringi. This is Babu Dotela nansi number iyona level lapho uzongithinta usho Babu Dotela ngiseThekwini ukuphi ngikusiza. Siyabonga.